Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Variety of Crochet. So today I have the most beautiful knitted pattern, amazing clutches, designer clutch for beautiful girls, most attractive and stunning beautiful hand clutches ideas. See the beautiful parrot, the beautiful birds, the elegant ham, the most attractive and most gorgeous, beautiful peacock clutch, broady cross, amazing bags. I hope you like the wonderful pattern because all pattern, all ideas are so stunning, amazing. So if you like this video, if you also love my ideas and my channel, so please subscribe my channel, press the bell icon, enjoy the beautiful hand purse, the hand clutches, the amazing beautiful bird purse, beautiful bird clutches. So all my crochet fans, if you also love and like my ideas in my channel, so please subscribe my channel, press the bell icon, enjoy the most beautiful knitted bags, crochet bags, attractive bags. So like this video, share this video, enjoy this video with your friends, with your family members and your relatives. So stay connected, stay blessed, stay healthy. Enjoy this pattern, like this pattern, share this pattern. See you soon another latest upload. See you soon another latest ideas all about rough crochet. So stay connected, stay healthy, stay safe, lots of fun. Enjoy this beautiful pattern all about of hand knitted, handmade crochet, beautiful bird purse, beautiful hand clutches. See you soon another latest upload. See you soon another latest ideas all about of handmade knitted ideas. Beautiful handcrafted purse, beautiful designer purse clutches, amazing awesome design. So take care of yourself, stay connected, stay healthy, stay blessed. See you soon. Bye bye. Have a nice day.